I just tripped. You see you? Oh Lord, yes. I look like a pale, dead whale.
I've been yelling for you.
Keep being a smart aleck. I got you on camera. Are you ready now?
I am.
World, look at Sophie being a brat. World. I'll link her channel below. She knows I'm joking, okay? I'm joking, so. So basically what I've got going on here is I have 2 pieces of wood, both 6 foot long, 18 inches wide, and probably about 2.5 inches thick. And on one side of each piece of wood is a rough edge, just to give it a more rustic look. My dad is actually a sawyer at a sawmill, and he sawed these for me when I first moved in my house, and I had other plans for them, but this just seemed to work out. You can do it with just regular boards. You don't have to have the rough edge or sawmill wood, but that's how I got mine to look like they are. I just tripped. I got these table legs from Amazon. I will link them below. I had to get 2 sets. Attaching them to the pieces of wood is pretty self-explanatory. It does come with enough screws to add to one side. In most cases you would buy these and the bottom piece would be sitting on the floor, but for one set of mine, the bottom and the top piece are both screwed into a piece of wood, so I had to use some of my own screws for that. So, as you can see, I tried to handle that like a mother and failed. So I just seen it's gonna get dark. I'm trying to find my phone. My cousin Amanda just left. I'm gonna wait till she can get back and help me lift that piece of wood because it is a mother. So, can you help me when you get back? Send. I know she will. I need your help putting that piece of wood on top of the other one.
Shouldn't we pack it in here and do that?
Maybe.
Yes. Because both of them together will be really heavy.
Okay.
We should pack the one in here, then pack the other piece in here. You screw little things on, then we put it on top of it.
Okay. Well.
And how are we going to come in?
I think that door probably be the easiest. Let me get this truck out of the way and stuff. Nelly, he's a vocal one.
Okay.
Oh, I'm a whole boy.
Oh, also what's in the front door. Come on. He's like, never mind. That doesn't mean I'm scared.
Here, I'll move it.
You want back out for the 47th time today?
Here. Meow.
I would suggest for anyone who's going to do this to lay the piece of wood that isn't attached to anything on its top and put the pieces with the legs on it just on top of it. That way you're not having to bend upside down like I am. But either way, it got done. I'm speaking it into existence.
Don't want to lose your audience before you get it.
I'm with my note on here.
Nothing. You want to be on the video? You do. You'd make a good YouTuber.
Okay. Now I gotta go find screws.
Oh, well, we need to find screws together.
Screws. So I don't know if y'all gathered, but drill battery went dead. So Amanda's going to her house to get another battery because I'm a loser and both my batteries are dead. Put that on the list of things to do.
First of all, I can already tell you, you're going to need more lighting in here for filming.
You can do the lighting on there.
Batman. Could you live in a cave?
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
I'm fine.
Where's the zooming? Zoomer. Where's the
Oh, you want to zoom in because you don't want to get close?
I'm scared.
Why? How did the screw even get hot? Didn't even touch nothing. The head came off the other screw. It's on the floor. How? How did that even happen?
I don't know. Now we're one screw short.
I gotta get another screw. What the freak? All in all, it is very heavy, but I am happy with the way it turned out and was glad I was finally able to use those pieces of wood.